What's up, beautiful family? Welcome back to my channel. The name is always Life with Efua. Today I'm going to be reviewing a cream. You know, I've been reviewing Fair and White lotions in the past. I've reviewed the oil and I've reviewed the Skin Perfector. So today I'm going to be reviewing the So White Maxi Tone. This is the Maxi Tone. It has the same bottle as the Fair and White So White oil. The oil I reviewed some time ago. You can check my old videos out. So this Maxi Tone, yeah, is for people who are looking to brighten their skin, not to bleach, to lighten, to put like one shade. Let me say one shade, not two shades. If you want to get one shade lighter, just one shade lighter, you should use this Maxi Tone. Even though it lightens the skin a little bit, it's not so harsh like this Abidjan creams. Yeah, this cream smells very good. This Maxi Tone, it smells very good, and it's made in Paris. It's made in Paris. If you want a cream that is not so thick, if you don't want a cream that is not so thick, for example, a cream that is not so thick like this, this is for you. This is a lotion. This is a lotion. Let me show you. It's a body milk. Let me show you how it looks like. It's a little bit lighter. See, this consistency is different. This is so thick and this is light. I use it when I feel my skin is a little bit dull and I want to brighten it a little bit. Normally I use the Mixer cream, the red shade, but if my skin feels dark and I want to brighten a little bit, I go to my Fair and White. So I don't use it every day. And if you want to use it, please use it at night. If you are very dark, you know I'm chocolate. If you're very dark and you want to brighten a little bit, please don't use it in the daytime. Don't use it in the daytime. Use it at night. The only thing I don't like about this is it smells so like perfume. I don't like creams that has this kind of perfume smells. Like when I mix I use my cream and I mix my perfume together, then it gives some weird smell. So I always like creams that are so mild with the smell. I like creams that are mild with a smell, but this smells like perfume. Let me tell you. So even if you don't use perfume, you are still going to smell it. Okay, I want to be quick because the baby is up. If you have dry skin, you can mix this one. Don't mix it together. I mean, you take a little bit in your hands and you apply also the So White oil. Guys, let me show you the So White oil. This is the So White oil. If you have very dry skin, you can take a little bit of the Maxi Tone and a little bit of the oil. Please don't mix it together and store it in a container. That creates some harsh chemicals together, and sometimes the cream and oil is good, but it tends to break you out or give you some effect like stretch marks and hyperpigmentation, all this melasma skin problems. So guys, just take a little bit of the Maxi Tone in your palm, take a little bit of the oil in your palm, rub together and use, or use the cream for your whole body. After that, you use the oil for your whole body, but don't take a container and mix them together. That is not good. That is why your creams don't work on your skin. Sometimes someone's skin is nice, you ask them the cream they use, they tell you buy the exact same cream, but it tends to do another thing on your body. You can see my oil is finished. It's finished. I have to get it back. My oil is finished, but the cream is still intact. The Skin Perfector I used in the past, seriously, I was trying to get one shade lighter, not to bleach, one shade lighter, but I didn't see any change. Like I was just using the cream, but I didn't see any difference. But this one, at least it has brightened me. After I gave birth, I became so dark and I wanted to get my old skin back. That's why I got this one. someone recommended the Maxitone because I had used the Perfecta in the past and I didn't see any change, so I decided to try this one. I've already used one container, it's finished. This is a new one. Okay, this is a new one, so I combined it together with the oil. Don't go and use another oil for this cream, please. If you want it to work, it's better you find from the same brand like that and use together. That one, you can't even go wrong with that. And let me list some of the ingredients to you. They did not write the ingredients on the bottle. I think it was on the box, but I threw the box away. But anyways, it's a clarifying body milk, okay? And it's so nice. So White offers you the pleasure of a delicate fragrance care. Like the fragrance is what I was talking about, like perfume thing, which I don't really like about the cream. A fragrance care product and the efficacy of a clarifying milk for a peachy skin. Use once a day after your bath or shower. Use once a day. That's what they say. Use once a day after your bath or shower and massage. So once a day, for me, I prefer you use it at night because of the smell, because you don't want to be smelling like some fake perfume and in the daytime. Okay, so you use it at night, and since it's it has some brightening agents, just use it at night so that you don't get in contact with the sun to get all these skin problems, guys. Okay, if you watch in my old videos, you will see how my knuckles was also very, very dark. By the grace of God, we have been able to clear it. So I will make another video on how I cleared the knuckles. Guys, stay tuned. If you have watched me till now, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and guys, go and get it. Don't mix another oil with this, even if the oil is good. The only oil you can mix with this cream is a normal mild oil, no lightening oil. Oils like Palmer's oil or Vaseline cocoa butter oil, those oils are very good, but don't be mixing pigment and all these skin lightening oils together. Please don't mix it. A normal coconut oil and all this almond oil is very good to mix together. Don't mix together and store it. As I said, take a little bit of the cream, you mix the oil in your palm and you use it, guys. Now I have to leave. Don't forget to check on the channel once again. The name is always Life with Efua. I love you, and I'll be back next week. Bye.
Subscribe to my channel.